boys and girls, and welcome to Chord on Guitar. This one is Ricky Martin. I think most of you know who this person is. This time with a song called OTRA NOCHE and LA. So this is not my first language, not even my fifth. So I will try to do my best here to take you through this tutorial. You don't need any capo for this one, and we need to handle some chords. I believe they are 6 different chords. Yes. So let's start with this one. We have first the G chord. So third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. Next chord is B7. So you need to bar the second fret here from the A string and down. That means 5 strings. Okay, and the rest will be 4th on D and 4th on B. The next chord will be C. So 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have E7. You can take that in many different ways. This is one way. I think that fits best for this song. So that is open E, 2nd A, open D, 1st G, 3rd B, and open E. That's E7. Next chord will be A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be D. So open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Yes, so let's start right away. We have one chord progression that will go kind of 95% of the song in the same way, so it's pretty easy. So it starts with G, then we go to the B7, then C, then E7, A minor, D, and back to G. So this is the chord progression. So G, B7, C, E7, A minor, D, and G. So for the first verse, you will just play one down for each chord. Very, very easy. Couldn't be easier than this. So A minor, D, and G. Alright. Then we have the next verse. That one starts also in the lyrics with Buenos Dias. Okay. So for this one, we will use a very simple strumming or kind of a beat. So it will be, if we take the G chord here, like this. Okay. So we use one down and one clap. We will do that for 2 times per chord here, except for the last chord, the last G, you will do that for 4 times. So one round, you can say, will be down, clap, and then you change chord to B7. Like this, all right? So the timing here is important. You have a certain rhythm here for this one. So it's down, clap, and a pause after this clap. So down, clap, down, clap, down, clap, down, clap, and so on. Then you change the chords. So G, B7, and so on. You do it the same way here for one round of this verse. Okay? So you're gonna play this. And final G. You do it for 2 rounds. Alright? So that is one chord progression here. So for this second verse, you do it for 1 round. And then comes the chorus. So in the lyrics, hoy salí en el viejo Mustang. I'm not sure how this is pronounced, but that is where we are in the lyrics. And this one is played in the same way. I just want you to know where in the lyrics we are. So you're gonna play for 2 rounds, the same chord progression and the same way of playing there. Down, clap, down, clap. So another 2 rounds of this one. Okay, then after these 2 rounds, we come to part in the lyrics, which is Otra noche en Los Angeles, de aquí no salgo, something like that. Okay, so this is the part where it changes a little bit from the rest of the song, because the rest will be in the same way we just learned, the same chord progression. But this one, we have one chord progression that is G, okay, then B7, then E minor, then A minor, then C, E7, A minor, and D. So G, B7, E7, A minor, C, E7, A minor, D. You will do that for 1 round, this chord progression, and you will only do it for 1 downstroke per chord. So just G, B7, E7, A minor, C, E7, A minor, and D. All right. So 1 round of this one. And then we are in the lyrics Jingle Bell, and that is pretty much spot on when it comes to the pronunciation there, I believe. Jingle Bell. I'm home there. So this is another round of the same chords like we had from the beginning. So the G, B7, C, and so on. This time you will play 8 downs per chord, okay, and except them from the last chord, the G, which will be for 16 rounds, since that chord is played for 2 rounds when we play the 1 round for the rest before. So it will be 8 downs. So 8 downs of this chord will be like C and E7 and A minor, D, and 16 downs on G. Alright, so that's that. And then we have just the final part here and the lyrics Hoy salí en el viejo Mustang. So the chorus is there again. You will play 2 rounds of the same strumming, down, clap, down, clap. And then we have just a vocal part in the Otra noche en LA. And that is how this song ends from Ricky Martin. So for all the Spanish guys, I'm sorry if I kind of butchered this song. I just wanted to give you the way of playing this one, and I believe you will sing it much better than me. So good luck with this one, guys. See you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.